Hello everyone, let's take a look at LeetCode on 1850. It's the third problem in the weekly context. It's not a very hard problem, but it's also not a very easy problem. So for permutations, that's a very similar question. Like LeetCode 31, next permutation. So if you are not very familiar with permutation stuff, you can do that first. I also recorded a video for LeetCode 31. So you can check out my video. Okay, for this problem, it's giving us a large integer num, and it also gives us a k. So after k permutation, like we can get the case permutation from the original num, and it asks us like how many adjacent digit swaps we need to convert num to the case like permutation num. Like for example, this is num. The first permutation is this one. So it takes like 4 swaps to convert. Okay, so for this problem, and if you are using C++, you don't need to implement next permutation yourself. That is it's in the standard library, so we can just call next permutation. Okay, for example, this is original num. Then we can call next permutation 4 times, so we get this new permutation. Okay, then we just like compare one by one, and this is the first time we sort the diff. So, and it's a mismatch, so we need to find where the next one is. So it's here. So we can just swap 1, 2, then swap 1, 4. Okay, so now we swap twice. Result becomes 2 now. Okay, next 4 the same, 2 the same. So we stop and return 2. Okay, so this is the implementation. First, we just copy the original string. Then we just call next permutation k times. And this is result. Then we just apply the graded algorithm. And we compare the position one by one. If the character is same, we just ignore. We just continue this for loop. Otherwise, we need to find the next index, which like the character is same as num_i. Okay, if we find it, we need to convert j minus I times. Then we construct this new copy. Like this one, this is previous copy, and this is a new copy. So the time complexity, like in worst case, it can be O(n square, since maybe each time the character may maybe not same. Then we need to construct the copy every time. So it can be O(n square in worst case. Okay, that's it. See you next time.